Today, we're talking about a topic that's important to everyone: staying healthy. Life can get busy, and sometimes a trip to the doctor just isn't in the cards. But that doesn't mean you have to neglect your health. There are many things you can do to stay healthy at home. In this video, we're going to share some of our top tips and tricks. Let's start with preventative care. This is all about taking steps to avoid getting sick in the first place. Eating a healthy diet, getting regular exercise, and getting enough sleep are all essential for good health. There are many natural remedies that can help you feel better when you're not feeling your best. For example, ginger tea can help soothe an upset stomach, and honey can help soothe a sore throat. There are also many herbal remedies that can be helpful for a variety of ailments. Of course, it's important to talk to your doctor before trying any new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. You can also boost your immune system by eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. And don't forget about stress management. Chronic stress can take a toll on your health, so find healthy ways to relax and distress. Sometimes, small lifestyle changes can make a big difference in your health. For example, quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health. Limiting alcohol intake and getting regular exercise are also important. Even small changes, like drinking more water and getting enough sleep, can make a big difference in how you feel. By following these tips, you can take charge of your health and stay healthy, even without a doctor visit. Of course, this is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any concerns about your health, always be sure to see a doctor. But by taking some simple steps at home, you can stay on top of your health and feel your best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great health tips.